Hey guys, El Patronn here. How are you? Brooklyn Mitsubishi. And I have one of my employees here, Mr. Jesse. Say hello to the camera, Jesse.
Hey guys, what's up?
All right, guys. So Jesse, we did an internship program with him back in Easter, around Easter time, for about a month. And tell us, how was your experience back then when you were working with Rohan?
Well, my experience was good. I learned a lot. How to
Yeah.
sell cars, how to work the lot, how to make the deals go.
Okay. So basically, he went back to school, right? And he's very social, by the way, on Instagram. And he will always reach out to me on Instagram. So we talked, right? We said, hey, we're ready, right? Summer's off. So you decided to come back full time.
Full time.
Yes. And how's been your experience ever since?
Good. Been making sales. We hit the quota.
That's right. Till this day, guys, he actually has about 12 cars out. He's one of our top performers. He's very good with their customers. They love him a lot. And he's very well structured. Okay, so these are the things that I tell you guys that we're doing here differently at Brooklyn Mitsubishi. The internship program, we just started it. And it worked out for him, so it could work out for you as well. So Jesse is off today, so we kind of made him come in to kind of say, but check him out on the website. He's on the website as well, and he's getting good reviews. Anything you want to share with the whole world, pretty much?
We got these deals off for college students. I'm in college.
Yeah.
I got a lot of friends in college, and we got a lot of deals for you guys.
That's
this
right.
summer, the deals are hot and blazing. Let's get it.
I told you he's good, guys. Peace.